And flyers continue to test positive for the coronavirus. An asymptomatic passenger who travelled on an Indigo flight from Bengaluru to Madurai on 27th of May was discovered to be COVID positive. Meanwhile, one passenger travelling in the AirAsia Delhi-Kolkata flight has been handed over to the state government authorities for suspected COVID infection after screening by the airport officials in Kolkata. Operations have resumed at the Kolkata airport today after 2 months, with the first flight taking off for Guwahati in the early hours of the morning with 40 passengers on board. 10 flights are scheduled to take off from Kolkata on the first day of resumption of flight, and an equal number will also land. Though the domestic flight operations across the country began on 25th of May, it could not be restarted in Bengal due to the destruction by the cyclone Umphan. Passengers are needed to submit a self-declaration form at the time of arrival, while 14-day home quarantine is also mandatory.
After a delay of a few weeks, finally domestic flight operations have begun at the Kolkata airport. Of course, a little later than the rest of the country, because the state administration, the state government here had requested Ministry of Civil Aviation to give them some time due to the impending restoration work that's taking place in the aftermath of Cyclone Amphan. The view at the Kolkata airport, of course, as you can see, people are sitting, not sitting next to each other, maintaining some sort of social distance by leaving one seat empty in between. The airport also looks quite empty today because full-fledged flight services have not resumed. However, it seems this is going to be the new normal for a few weeks from now, as flight services slowly starts picking up pace at the Kolkata airport. With camera person Tapan Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.
Very excited that I'm going back home, but I'm getting scared. It's very scary also to see all of us, wearing masks and gloves, and it's very scary, but it's nice that I'm going home finally.
तो थोड़ा अच्छा भी लग रहा है और डर भी है, बिकॉज कोरोना जिस तरह से इंडिया में फैल रहा है उस हिसाब से डर तो है, लेकिन घर पे भी जाना ही है. कभी ना कभी तो स्टार्ट करना ही चाहिए था, तो आई थिंक कि इट्स अ गुड डिसीजन. जिस तरह से प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे हैं उस हिसाब से तो मुझे लगता है ये ठीक है.
All right, Indrajit Kundu is now reporting from Kolkata, joining us for the very latest on this story. Indrajit, if you could first tell us about the passenger who tested positive on the Delhi-Kolkata flight, and now what kind of precautionary measures is the state government taking? What is the SOP that has been put in place in Kolkata?
Well, Chalti, the test has not been conducted on the passenger yet. However, during the screening process, airport officials felt that he could be a suspect because there were certain symptoms, especially he had temperature, and therefore the state government officials were immediately intimated, following which he was handed over to the state government officials and they rushed him to a nearby hospital, following which tests would be conducted on him, whether or not to ascertain whether or not he's suffering from COVID. But there were a lot of precautions that have been put in place. There are new protocols to fly, and all those people who have come back to Kolkata today, many of them have been asked to go on a 14-day home quarantine along with masks and gloves. They were also given face shields inside the airlines, and of course all flight attendants and cabin crew were wearing PPE. So the passengers told me that it was a new experience, something that they had not experienced before. However, they felt that the flight was safe.
Absolutely, and I stand to be corrected. This was a COVID suspect which was found on Delhi-Kolkata flight, but the one who tested positive was an asymptomatic carrier who was on an Indigo flight from Bengaluru to Madurai on 27th of May. He was discovered to be COVID-19 positive, and Poulami Saha is joining us for the latest details on that passenger and the other SOPs in place as well. Poulami, the new normal is in place, and the new normal is going to be a lot of SOPs that one would have to follow before boarding a flight, after landing as well, on the flight as well. It's going to be a new experience, and it's inevitable for one to completely assume that there will be no COVID passenger on the flight as well. It's something that we'd all have to live with. What is the new normal really looking like, since you track the aviation sector? If you could just paint a picture.
Well, obviously, Chetty, airlines and airport operators are taking all precautions possible. They are obviously leaving nothing to chance. The passengers are being provided with PPEs, which includes face shields, which includes masks and gloves as well. absolute, care is being taken on the aircraft as well to ensure there is no crowding around the lavatories. Food is not being served. There is no in-flight literature that you can get your hands on. So measures are being taken. But like you said, it's absolutely inevitable to, try and ensure that there is no case whatsoever. In the case that you were just citing right now, an asymptomatic passenger obviously went through the temperature check at his boarding at the point of embarkation, which is the Bangalore airport on the 27th of May yesterday. But because he was asymptomatic, the system didn't pick up anything. Then, of course, he landed in Madurai. This was an Indigo flight. He landed in Madurai, went into the mandatory quarantine facility where he went in for testing, which is again a mandatory process over there. And the test over there found him to be COVID positive. Now, Indigo has...
Paulami, apologies about the interruption, but I've been asked to go straight across to a news.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.